In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix a settings needs your review error problem on Facebook. For fixing this problem, first of all, click on review settings option, and then here you can see two options. Select first option, allow us to use this activity to show you content that more relevant. Select this option and then click on confirm. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully. But if still you are facing same problem, then long press on Facebook apps and then open Facebook app info, click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, clear cache your Facebook storage, go back, click on force stop and then click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen, restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Facebook and say problem solved successfully.